sometime during our trip to the Netherlands, I guarantee you're going to want to know what the weather is. What app that I use on my phone and that actually all of our friends and family in the Netherlands use is this app that's the middle app here called Buien Radar. So if you start writing in Buien, which means clouds, and radar, you'll find this specific app. This is an iPhone. I'm not sure if the picture looks different for an Android device, but this is the app that's through like the National Weather Service, kind of like what we have. It actually shows me the weather in Wilmington, so wherever you are, but it is the app that everybody uses for weather in the Netherlands. So if you click into it, this one is in Dutch only, but I think you can kind of figure out how easy it is to, here already automatically tells me Amsterdam. When I first loaded it, it told me Masonboro and the temperature in Masonboro. So it tells you the temperature, which is currently 16 degrees. It's in Celsius. You can choose, the east means choose, Karten means map, so radar, so you can choose different ones that you want to watch. So this is telling me now there's currently no rain. This is the current radar over 2 hours. It's beautiful and dry, 16 degrees, and this goes up until the time. Remember, the Dutch do time, military time, so this starts at 9:15, which is what the current time is, and goes up till 11:15 or so. All right, so Heen radar, you can do Motregen, which is mist, onweer, which is bad weather, Son radar, so it tells you how sunny it's going to be. Most likely you'll stick on the Buien radar. If you want to check, so say for example, the weather's in Zwolle, it's 15 degrees, also no rain. You can change this to be the last hour, so you can see how much it rained in the last hour, which it rained nothing. You can also do a 24-hour. So here's what the radar looks like for the next 24 hours. There's a little bit of rain over the UK, but nothing, very dry. Too bad we're not in the Netherlands tomorrow. Let's see, down here you can also see the 14-day forecast, which actually is almost quite useful for us. So it shows you the high temperatures, which is the red, and the low temperatures, which is the blue. This is a nice time to learn about the Dutch days of the week. Zaterdag, so I'll start here. Zaterdag, Zondag, Maandag, Dinsdag, Woensdag, Donderdag, Vrijdag. I'll write those out for you. So you'll see it's actually going to be quite nice this coming week, 24, which roughly you double the Celsius and add 30. That doesn't work exactly, but that's roughly the equivalent. So 24 times 2 is 48 plus 30, 78 degrees, which is very nice. This at the bottom tells you the amount of precipitation expected, not very much, some on that Zaterdag, but not so much during the rest of the day. It tells you where the winds are coming from, which is very important, of course, if you're riding your bike or going on a long bike ride across the country. So I would say most likely you're going to stay on this front page. Once you've picked a town, it will stay in your search menu. And you'll probably keep the Buien radar there as the one that you're going to choose for the next 2 hours. It'll tell you, and then you will also probably use this 14-day forecast so you can kind of see how things are going to play out for the next 14 days. If you have any questions about this, let me know, although that's pretty much all I know about the app. So talk to you later. Thanks.